Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to Batu Bolong in Canggu, one of the oldest, but at the same time tourist place and the local place and the hippie place and the surf place and all the place. Many things is going on here actually time to time. So we're gonna stroll around today a little bit something different. It's been a while when we were filming here. This is also Oldsman just behind us. In case if you maybe don't know name of Batu Bolong, but you are more familiar with the Oldsman, so this is the area over here. So yeah, what are you thinking about?
Wow, it has been a long time we didn't go here in the area of the Eco Beach, where famous for the youngness, the ness. I mean, for the young people, you know, who are enjoying the Bali and digital nomads. They said that going to Canggu, they said will be fun because of the surf.
Come to Canggu, it will be fun, they said.
Yeah, and then so many influencers saying about that. So now we will showing you how it is nowadays.
Yeah, so I just want to show you 360 degree. This is the entrance to the beach. The bar, what we mentioned before, the beach itself, the wave, and overall many people coming just to having a look. This guy still have a Qatar sticker on the back, but I was rushing to come. Horn guy, sunset there, and another scooters for rent. I can see some new brand, and this is it, 360. So overall there's a lot of local bars, like an easygoing vibe, like a hippie bars here. But there also is the Lawn and few other fancy establishments as well in this area of Canggu, by the way. Are you enjoying the view?
Wow, it's really changed a lot nowadays. Batu Bolong, everywhere where you can see, it's just like, you know, this restaurant facing the ocean views. Next door is the Lawn Beach Club. As you can hear that the sound of the loud music.
Yeah.
And over there is also the Warung. I think another restaurant.
Yeah, a lot is going on. This is the Lawn, legendary place somehow. Sunset, bars, people chilling. This is Canggu vibe. Quite a lot of people actually. Not that bad, I gonna tell you. Okay.
Of course, it's totally different vibes if you compare with Sanur, Ubud Seminyak or Uluwatu, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Totally different vibes.
And also you have waves, so you can surf like boys and girls over there. Why so many beach clubs here?
Oh, nowadays, like I told you previously, Bali is the island of beach clubs. So nobody, you know, not many people are interested about the culture. Most of them are here enjoying the beach
actually,
clubs.
if you think about that, yeah. Yeah, what's up? How you doing, people? The kids are happy even in the beach club, seems like. So yeah, this is it. This is the Lawn actually, by the way. And I wanted to show you. Sunset gonna be soon as well. Alright, so that's the overall situation on the beach, the lawn in the background, and it's like a little river. And now generally there is the brand new Warung, I mean, that was the warungs, the old warungs, but looks like a fancy restaurant and nearly beach club with the waiters and the beanbags and everything. People enjoying, chilling. So everything is changing recently in Canggu, in Bali in general, not even in Canggu, just overall in Bali. People enjoying their time here and there, and overall very tropical vibe. Like I'm gonna tell you, very tropical. Yeah, this is it. That's inside. Let's get to the street, Sayang. Sayang, what's going on here, lah?
Wow, it's surprisingly in every corner nowadays. It's just like a brand new restaurant. You see on the left side, this is like one brand new restaurant, and I remember a long time ago, it was just like, you know, the group of cows enjoying
this sounds
the
like
time.
very old. Long time ago, it's like 50 years. That was 5 years ago,
Oh
lah.
my god!
Not
and
even.
this restaurant, look like a warung, like restaurant.
That one looks like a competition to the lawn actually recently.
Yeah.
Oh, yo, what's up? What's up, sir? Okay, let's go. That's the main street now. Oh, very strong tropical sunset. So darkish, but there is the lawn actually. Here we go. Not endorsement anyways for any brand. So, but I just wanted to tell you, it's really, when you were right. I mean, not so long ago was not much here, but now, check this out. Construction, construction, construction. Never-ending construction. Yo, what's up, brother? And that's actually gate is nice, the old one, but the construction in general. Here we go. Hold on, another construction just at the front of the legendary Batu Bolong Beach and the old cement. So, what do you think about the never-ending construction here, Sai?
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
No, that's not my bike. Sorry, mate.
No.
No, it's not mine, mate. And I don't know. Illegal parking, babe.
Oh wow, that's in front of this one will be Motel Mexicola Canggu.
Oh yeah, actually you're right, I didn't read it. Motel Mexicola in Canggu, just at the front of the legendary old man. Sayang, yeah, let's have a dinner or
Stroll
something,
around, yeah.
okay? Let's go. Because the situation here is a little bit like, I don't know. Here we go, this is it. This is what's cracking here recently actually.
Wow.
I'm surprised a little bit as the Motel Mexicola gonna be here. The legendary one from the, from Sevignac, and this is the Oldsman. Not sure if the security happy to film, so I filmed them, that's it. They look scary, like.
Security look
scary
like a
looking
mafia.
security. Doesn't look like a friendly, huh? More like a mafia. Even the park here guys actually were friendly. Boys drinking some arak here, but honestly the security of the Oldsman, he looking like he really wanna kill me, not really inviting to come to the place. Securities in the Western world are more friendly than this one. Anyways, this is it. That's how does it look like. We're gonna go somewhere having a dinner, but in the more peaceful vibe.
All right, so now we decided to have a dinner here in one place. Damian really craving for the pizza. It's pizza time. Seems like busy from the outside. So yeah, I will stroll around to show you how it is inside basically. Yeah, Damian is there having his pizza. And basically this place at dinner time, surprisingly, just like many kids behind. Wow, Canggu is actually a family-friendly place. You see it behind so many families with their kids playing, and then there is a one small playground. So nice, what I can say. Very cute place, right? It's pizza time. Damian's favorite food, pizza. Oke, smacznego. Selamat makan kohanye. What do we have? Oh, look at that. So yum yum. So in front of me, basically there is the world famous Canggu shortcut. So we decided to have just coffee after dinner in one restaurant. It's called Revolver, and then this place is so, a long time ago, so famous for the coffee. And yeah, this is how it is. Seems like outside in the shortcut was motorbikes, but let's see how it is. The restaurant inside.
Where are we?
Where actually that we are in the Revolver. but seems like only us here. This is not paid
Are you
endorsement.
sure this is Revolver?
Revolver must be so packed of people, but
I don't
look at-
see anybody around. I mean, beautiful ceiling and everything, nice place, but where are the people? What's happened to them?
Maybe Canggu slowly getting quiet. Or maybe
Wow.
tourists already just decreasing coming to Bali.
Wow. We decide to move actually, yeah?
Yeah, well actually that's the best spot in Revolver, and Damian said that it's depressing place because it's so quiet.
I mean, Revolver is pretty nice place in general, but look at this one. There's lovely people there, only one. But normally, when you go to Revolver, you know, it's busy, right?
Yeah.
But something is wrong now.
Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care, guys.